Another thing not to do is launching your car very hard from a complete stop. This practice or activity can damage your torque converter, transmission clutches, and some engine components. Driving an automatic car is easy and simple thanks to technological advancement that has made driving and controlling cars very easy these days. But if you don't control your transmission very well, I mean your gear lever, it will lead you to a damage of your transmission or a total breakdown. Hello and welcome to Autocare 360. If this is your first time to join me on my channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back. I am going to share with you 5 things not to do if you drive an automatic car. The first one is changing to park before the car completely comes to a stop. Engaging the park gear before the car completely comes to a stop can damage a pin in the transmission system that locks the transmission. This can lead to costly repairs and potential transmission failure. The second one is changing to reverse or shifting to drive whilst the car is still moving. Changing to reverse or drive whilst the car is still in motion can cause a significant damage to your transmission bands and gears. This can lead to rough shifting feeling or rough gear changing feeling, and it is an indication that your transmission system is building up problem. Potentially a wear and tear buildup. The next is resting your hands on your gear lever whilst driving. Even though this may feel okay or normal to do, as it is a common practice being done by most people, if you do that, please comment down below. When you put your hand on the gear lever whilst driving, it puts pressure on the internal components of the transmission system, which can lead to premature wear and tear. Another thing not to do is launching your car very hard from a complete stop or moving your car very fast from a standstill. This practice or activity can damage your torque converter, transmission clutches, and some engine components. In fact, Hyundai cars hate this. If you have a Hyundai car and you move it very fast from a complete stop, you can easily damage your engine and even your transmission system. A lot of drivers like to do this, especially when they are moving from traffic light, from a gathering, or their colleagues. It is not a good practice. In as much as it's not good for your car, it's also not safe to move cars very fast from a complete stop. It is better to do your full acceleration or full gas on your second gear or third gear. Last but not the least is changing to neutral while driving downhill or coming to a stop. When driving down a hill or sloping down, it is advisable to keep your gear on drive. Changing to neutral can lead to reduced control over your car. It also interrupts the flow of transmission fluids, which is crucial for lubricating and cooling of your transmission components, and this can lead to overheating. And to add to this, in a traffic light, always keep your gear on drive. Do not change to neutral. Changing to neutral will cause wear and tear on your transmission components. For watching the video till this end, I have 2 more bonus for you. One is neglecting regular maintenance. Failure to change your transmission fluid will lead up to buildup of debris and dirt on your transmission system. And this can cause poor shifting performance and eventually can lead to transmission failure. The second bonus is always ensure that you have a good battery in your car. Automatic cars depend so much on car batteries. Do regular checks on your car battery to ensure your car battery is very good. I hope you learned something from this video. Do not forget to like this video and comment. Also subscribe to this channel for more information about the automotive industry. This is Autocare 360.